Oya my people, na Pidgin Vibez news they bring on our latest gist for Naija tonight. We dey start today news with bad news and government need do something about am. Lagos Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency don begin urgent search for one TikToker wey post video say rape incident happen for her house. Video go viral within hours. Agency say they wan verify the claim, protect the alleged victim and make sure say justice no turn social media trial. Online people they argue, some they support am, some they question the story. Nigeria won't use new AI biometric system, take lock on digital economy tight, make it reach $1 trillion goals. Naija join Kenya, they assemble electric vans from Chinese kits, make environment sweet pass before. Big investigation that land Temu for data privacy wahala. We go follow the story and update una. Many Naija students, they struggle get UK study visa. Consultant don yarn wetin dey happen. Sultan don't tell all Muslims make them start Ramadan moon sighting today. 3 suspects don't appear for court over the killing of Nigerian driver for South Africa. US troops arrive Nigeria to train our military for fight against Islamists. Inflation rate for Naija dey cool small, but still body high for many households. Sade song Paparazzi still the trend for Naija music chart. Online the joke say memes na secret survival language for Naija. It no be small thing the way we dey use am survive online. People they call for accountability and true leadership for government policies. We must address these concerns with urgency. Kano Gov dey hail federal relief for traders will lose goods for single market fire. National Assembly fit change 2027 presidential election dates, them discuss emergency session. People the best heads online say Naija budget na waste tax money, it no reflect rural needs. Protests for National Assembly, they ginger demand for real-time election results transmission. Oya make una no forget say Naija needs unity, progress and better governance. Na Pidgin Vibez news they sign out, make una stay safe.